ka syatnyam beding klam ke baju long shisin shisnam jong ka senyrat jawai mentagasngi kala poino sya ke bakut hapdang ka jing ipu iping bala shi benta ki khun ka senyrat jawai harengkat ka syat ka kemen bat ka put katem ya kane ka syatnyam beding klam ke baki khwat ka saus ngi laimit ka bala sedang nadu ka lai phau tarik ujal leu arjara phosau bat mankut mentagasngi muchai kalai tarik unaitung arjara phosau ha ka bala pendap ikjing nyam nadu ka ngu kadam ka suit ka shor ka jing pendap ka siang ka pha ka jing jara ka sembut khnong ka khnong blai ki deng klam ka bam tengkong bat ki wede ki kamnyam kamrukom bala pendap udoloi ka ilaka jawai ulangdo upator bat ki wahe wasan baro kirot ki balwan poi mentagas ngikut hapo ka sim aitnar kila dan hadu khat arteli ya ki bala shnakar pang da ki dong baper hapo ka kemairat kumju na ka senyrat umulong ka senyrat chilong nalor ki wede ha kane ka sngi pen kode ka beding klam lawan man sakilang da menteri rang ba ka jala ukurat ke sangma ki MLA ba menteri sarkar ba gentu ba poleng do ba sanbol sulai ba wailat miki shila ka kong santa mary shila ki MDC u deputy commissioner jaka west Jentai Hills district wa BS Olia USP ba si serti ki officer sarkar rangkat ka jenan lang u presiden ka senyrat jawai u ba H toy u general secretary ma sumer nalor ki wede
Kadang Islam dong kebai pun dok, iwan puhi ngam hapo mereka in ekdam. With the completion of the chapter 9, now it is time for the support and others to bring the income of the Bacon Bun being carried into the same Ekna or the sacred pool Ekna. Unless and the ritual performed on the arrival of the Dinkam of the Bacon Bun at the same Ekna, the Dinkam is seen being broken and prayers are being offered on completion of the task. Kisnyang Islam. Yo ukay ko tunggal ke isang kultura sa liang
لا اشتريها رأيها
July as well as the whole state, I would like to wish them a very happy Terekam festival. This is my third visit here to this wonderful program and this festival that we always celebrate annually. And as was mentioned by the President, it's a festival where we are celebrating in one way to walk out all the evils that are there in our society. And therefore, it's a very meaningful festival for all the people of Yamti Hills as well as for the state of Meghalaya. We all are aware that Meghalaya is a very, very culturally very rich state, and many, many cultures are there. And we've always, as a government, made it a point that we always maintain and celebrate our culture as it is a mark of the identity of who we are. And no matter how we move forward in life, our culture and our identity will always be with us. And hence, it has been the endeavor of this government to ensure that we always support all these kind of programs and ensure that our cultural identity is always maintained. That with the support of the government, with an investment of about 6.5 crores, this entire infrastructure has been created through the Prasad scheme. And like this, for many other cultures, many other festive areas, the government of Meghalaya has continuously supported infrastructure development when it comes to different cultural programs like this. I also would like to take this opportunity to share with the people of July, especially that a very, very, very long pending issue and a very long pending demand of the people of July has been resolved. Just recently, the sanction for the Yamasya shopping complex amounting to 26 crores has been sanctioned by the government. Approval has been given. The tender will be floated very soon, and I expect that in the next 2 to 3 months, the actual work of this 26 crore will also start very, very soon. At the same time, I also am happy to inform you and would like to thank the Sendai July for having offered to work with land that they have, where government of Meghalaya through the urban affairs will build up a parking lot in that land and hand it back to the Sendai so that they can run that space. That proposal has also been accepted, and I thank the Sendai to so that they can run that particular parking lot, and that will be a benefit to everybody. Once again, I thank all of you for having invited us out here to this wonderful festival.